Alright, so I asked Judge Owsley for a court-appointed attorney, and he pretty much ordered me to go to the public defender's office. They're the ones who make the primary decisions. I said I thought maybe there are more than one alternative besides the public defender, and he says no. And I mean, because I cited the law, I should have been aware of it, that there's only one method, one way to get the publicly funded defender. They made some repeated comments that there's more clients than there are lawyers, and that since the level of severity for my case does not ask for mandatory jail time. There's cases, even though I have jail time, I'm facing 6 months in jail. It's not a mandatory 6 months in jail if proven guilty. So I guess I wasn't too aware of that, but still, even to hold that option over me, any jail time, whether mandatory or optional jail time at the judge's discretion, is still enough of a concern to ask for a lawyer. There's some guy called Metcalf who stood in for Prosecutor Benjamin, and he made arguments against me getting a public lawyer, so I got to work with that. So I guess I'll go over there. The prosecutor also made arguments about the short time frame, and Judge Owsley recognized that as a short time frame, and he said that we're going to continue on to my trial on Monday. It's not going to be extended. It'll only be extended if the public defenders offer to ask for an extension. It'll only be extended if the public defenders ask for an extension, if they take my case. Besides that, yeah, I'm kind of stuck with the situation with the trial coming up. Judge Owsley said he would call over there to the public defender's office. I'm going to tell him that he ordered me to get a public defender. So he said he would call over. I asked him, should I wait until after he makes the call? And he said I should just go over there right now. So I think he might not be calling, because what good does it have to do if I show up before he calls? So I just wanted to confirm that. I don't think he's calling. He said he would. So I'm going to have to conduct a trial without a lawyer, simply because of the fact that there's more clients than there are lawyers, and I don't have mandatory jail time. I mean, that's how far they've pushed this authority of the government, saying, oh, since it's at the discretion of the judge, we can waive your lawyer, we can waive your representation because jail time is not mandatory. They can be so sensitive about arresting you for their hunches and general suspicions, and then waive your rights to a lawyer, to a court appointed attorney. There's a sensitivity and then a lackadaisical approach. You know, defense, their focus is being relaxed on how to help. They're very relaxed on helping you defend yourself, and very sensitive about prosecuting yourself, about prosecuting you. It's pushing. There's a further divide being pushed, a bigger wedge being jammed in between the priorities of prosecution versus defense. So it's troubling. I'm facing jail time. I have to defend myself pretty much without a court-appointed attorney. Ordered to get one, but they're likely going to deny.